Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Today we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the world of joint health supplements, Joint Genesis by Biodynamix. Joint Genesis is designed to support joint health and help you maintain flexibility and comfort, especially as you age. But does it really work? Let's take a closer look. First, let's talk about what's inside Joint Genesis TM. The key ingredients include Mobilee R, French maritime pine bark, ginger root, Boswellia serrata, and bioperine. Each of these components has a specific role in promoting joint health. Mobilee is a patented form of hyaluronan, a molecule that helps maintain the viscosity and lubrication of your synovial fluid. Studies have shown that Mobilee can multiply hyaluronan levels in your joints by a factor of 10, improving comfort and flexibility. Next, we have French maritime pine bark, a powerful antioxidant that supports a healthy inflammatory response, reducing joint discomfort and improving physical function. Ginger root is another potent anti-inflammatory ingredient known for its ability to reduce joint pain and stiffness, backed by multiple studies. Boswellia serrata, often called Indian frankincense, supports a healthy inflammatory response and enhances joint function, as shown in numerous clinical trials. And finally, bioperine R enhances the absorption of all these ingredients, ensuring you get the maximum benefit from each dose. Now, how do you use Joint Genesis TM? It's simple. Just take 1 capsule per day with water, preferably in the morning. Each bottle provides a 30-day supply. It's very important to purchase Joint Genesis only from the official Biodynamix website. Do not buy the supplement from third-party marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. These platforms often have counterfeit products that contain different ingredients, which can be ineffective or even harmful. When you buy from the official website, you ensure that you are getting the genuine product with the correct formulation and high-quality ingredients. Plus, you get a 180-day satisfaction guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Now let's talk about my honest opinion and what you can realistically expect from Joint Genesis. Based on the scientific evidence supporting its ingredients, Joint Genesis appears to be a well-formulated supplement for joint health. Ingredients like Mobilee and French maritime pine bark have strong backing from clinical studies showing their effectiveness in improving joint lubrication, reducing inflammation, and enhancing overall joint comfort. However, it's important to have realistic expectations. Supplements like Joint Genesis are not miracle cures. They can support joint health and potentially alleviate discomfort, but results can vary from person to person. Consistency is key. You'll need to take it regularly and give it some time to see noticeable improvements. If you're interested in trying Joint Genesis, I've included a link to a special discount in the video description below. This ensures you get the best price directly from the official website. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and health tips. See you in the next video.